You just got fired. A 60-day clock just started on your retirement savings. Most people never find out until it's too late. $47,000 in your 401k? Looks good. Cash it out without knowing, and the government takes 37%. You walk away with $29,600. There is a way to keep every single dollar. One form. Done in 10 minutes. Stay until the 4-minute mark. I give you the exact steps, including a single mistake that costs people 20% immediately. Your 401k has exactly 3 roll it over to an IRA, keep everything. Leave it at your old employer, risky but possible. 2. 1 destroys 17,000 of it. But here is what almost nobody mentions. There is a trap inside the rollover option itself. It is called an indirect rollover, even if you fix everything within 60 days. 60 days! That is all you have. And I am going to show you exactly how to use every single one of them. Let's go. Option 1. Leaving your 401k where it is. This is allowed, your money keeps growing, but 2 risks for them. For most people, this is not the best long-term move. Option 2. The direct rollover. This is almost always the right move. But here is the trap. You get a small check and must add the rest from your pocket within 60 days. Option 3. Cashing out. Here is the actual math. $47,000, $4,700 gone. Another $9,300, you walk away with $33,000 gone.
Okay, now I show you exactly what to do. 4 steps, in order, because step 4 contains the 20% withholding. Most people skip it because nobody told them it existed.
Step 1. Open an IRA, free and online. Step 2. Direct. Check direct. That word saves 20%. Direct rollover. 2 words. The 60-day clock. Critical point, it starts from your last day, not when HR processes it. Most think they have more time. You have 30 days left, not 60. Start this process on day 1. Marcus got laid off in November. He found this information on day 12, 48 days left. Day $47,000 arrived. Every dollar protected, $4 saved. Screenshot this card. Send it to anyone who has ever left a job. The exact fixes. The system does not explain this, not send a reminder. You found it, now you know what most people do not. Use it. If this video just protected your retirement savings, leave a like. Helps this people who need it. And comment below, did your employer explain any of this when you left a job? I read every single comment and I reply to all of them. Most Americans have no idea how the claiming age affects their life. Between claiming at 62 versus 70 is over 200,000. Math next week. See you then.